My fellow Jamaicans at home and abroad, I greet you warmly as we mark the 54th anniversary of our independence. This is a day of celebration and reflection as we look back, but also as we look ahead and commit ourselves to the further advancement of our beloved nation. This year we are at the halfway point between the start of the millennium and the target year of 2030 for achieving our major development goals. I therefore use this occasion to encourage you to draw inspiration from what we have achieved and move in the directions which will accelerate our progress. We need to accept and believe that there are more positives in our history and our present profile as a people than the negatives on which we so often focus. We have provided the international community with creative geniuses like Bob Marley, with extraordinary athletes like McKinley, Quarry, Fraser-Price, and Bolt, among others, with academicians, entrepreneurs, professionals in virtually every field, including engineering, medicine, law, and agricultural research, to name a few. We also enjoy one of the most respected electoral systems in the world, which demonstrates our capacity for national cooperation, collaboration, and cohesion. The time has come, indeed it is now, that we must channel our extraordinary talents and skills, which are at every level of our society, into the drive for social and economic development with equity, justice, and an increased sense of security. To this end, let us remember that unity of purpose and a sense of togetherness can be achieved only when, as individuals, we plan, think, speak, and act with a sense of responsibility and genuine concern for others. We must deliberately foster this unity of purpose and togetherness in our family, within our community, and in the society at large, in our institutions, on the roads, in places of business, in our shared spaces as we protect our children, observe the rules, respect others, and show sensitivity and cordiality. And even when we disagree, we are to be guided by what is best for all, rather than for self alone. It is in this spirit, which made possible many of the achievements of our forebears, that we must be empowered to overcome our challenges and succeed. One of our 20th century poets, H.D. Carberry, wrote about our strength as a people and our potential for greatness. And I quote, "The mold is not yet made, perhaps, that can unite and make the people one. But more important than the mold is the temper of the steel, the spirit of the people. And when that steel is smelted, and when that steel is tempered, and when that steel is cast, oh, what a people will that people be." We as a people have been tested, and we will be tested even more. But the spirit of our people cannot be broken if we come together, if we unite and put the good of the nation first above selfish ambition. Lady Allen joins me in wishing you a day and a season of enjoyment, of positive energy, and above all, of renewed commitment to make Jamaica the place it was meant to be. And may the blessing of the Almighty be with us today and always.